So, good evening, mga gabi. So, today's game, I'm gonna show you or demonstrated you the game that I presented right now. So, the game is entitled Escape the Haunted House, and this game aims to that you awakes in the haunted house, and where can you get out. So first things first is to just click the start button. So now in this area, na-wake na ka sa dark room, which is ang room nga diha ani mata. So we have two options there, sa abre ka sa portahan or sa window tanaw ka. So basta ang aim lang diri is to makagawas ka sa balay, kay naa diri ang mga ghosts, naka-ghost ka kalaban diri. So I'm gonna choose to open the door. So in this junctures, we have two options too. So hallway ni siya, dako man ni siya nga balay. So and naa siya sa downstairs in the side door. Diri ang piliw na to yung matatag side door. Diri you open the side door and finish a small and we can on the table. There's a key and thus note says freedom awaits. So naay key. So in simpler, naabot na rita sa atong final. Okay, unlock the door. So congratulations, you've escaped the haunted house. And then if we choose downstairs too, diri na naniwakwak. So the window, someone you peek through the window and it's dark outside, but you see a rope dangling down. Maybe you can use it to climb out. So have a choice. So nag-climb ta sa rope, naabot ta sa ubos. Start, open the door. Lock. Ganun lang. First is to start. open out the door. Matutos downstairs. Nakita na tong ungo. Wow. Yes. So when we see the ungo, na-trap man ta, so mabalik ta. Adto ta og window. But when you see the window, naka two options, whether to climb down the rope, nag-climb pero nahulog ka. It started to hit the ground hard, so your bruise nakakaisamad. Pero naglisod kag baklay. Na naman kay saman sa muusab ta. Start. Open the door. Open the side door. And here, the secret room is the final. Pas kanina. You escape the haunted house.